Hi, my name is Eric. I'm with Eric C Productions. Please like my videos as well as subscribe to my channel. For today, actually this is the first time I've actually done a video like this, but I wanted to see if I could turn a piece of trash which somebody donated into some sort of treasure. So here's my first and maybe my last attempt at turning this project into something. Thank you. So basically I found this. Somebody has given away print here of a, I don't know what you call it, rose. So basically if you look at the material, I am going to turn this, or at least make an attempt to, and make it this. As you can see here, it's a print from Monet. Water Lilies and Japanese Bridge, 1899, oil on canvas. So this is my one, maybe my last attempt at making this from this. So that is what I am going to do. Basically what I did is I put masking tape right here on the edges, and like I said, it's a smooth print, and I started painting white. As you can see there, the brush strokes white paint. I'm going to cover that as a base coat, and then I'm going to start doing the rest of it. Okay, as you see here, I finished it off. Decided to do a grid system, as you can see here. You can see that I do squares for this. Also what I did was I decided to do a grid system on the original painting, so it's a little bit easier for me to work dimensional wise the original print to the new print. And here you go. This is so far half the print that I'm doing, and it's starting to look nothing like that, but you know, hey, I could use this as my DIY fail. And it proceeds. You can see here, it's starting to look a little like it. A little bit. Okay, this is what I have done so far. I still gotta do that. And as you can see, here is the finished work. Not quite Monet, but hey, you know what? I'm not Monet, that's for sure, huh? Anyway, that is my painting. So, that is it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the painting that I did, because I enjoyed doing the painting. And please look at my other videos on Eric C Productions, and I hope you like the painting that I did.